So today we got the Beaverdam 2 to 7 horsepower kit on the 16-foot Coleman's canoe. I'm out here on the Tongue River. This will be the maiden voyage of the Wildcat and the Beaverdam. This is the maiden voyage of the Beavercat. Got everything all set up. All right. I'm not used to a bent handle, but it'll be okay. First thing I'm gonna do, so I don't forget it, I'm gonna clip this on my kill switch. Because there's nothing wrong with being safe out here. You gotta set a good example. Jump in! Stay! Kind of miserable with this bent handle. Jump in! So I have the handle a little different now. Alright, so that's better, folks. It's a lot better. Yeah, I like this with the bent handle that way. That's pretty comfortable. Alright, now that is better. Now that was sweet. That was sweet. Oh, that was cool. So all I needed to do was just put my bent handle here. JT Gatoring was saying that he doesn't like it because you have to hang out the boat. You can still turn this thing just fine out there, especially here. Man, you got a real turning radius there. Honestly, it's pretty good, you know. I think it's even better than the straight handle because you see I can sit like this on my knees like this. And this Beaverdam is so well balanced. You know, my mud skipper was really well balanced. It was. But I had to pull on it a little bit. This, I could honestly, it just sits right there. Woo, it's balanced well. And this Wildcat, even struggling for fuel with a smaller jet, puts me upriver really well. If you're wondering, that's flooring it. And yeah, we can go 13, 14 miles an hour upriver. And then downriver 18. Well, 17 averaging, but I couldn't sustain 18, but I was doing 18 for a little bit. The Wildcat's starving for fuel. It wants a bigger jet. We have to get the water out of this thing too. Flat bottom boat would really go fast. The Beaverdam is really nice. The Wildcat is nice. I need to get it running better. It could run even better with a little bit bigger jet. I had to stop here for some lunch, some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and some things for Jax. It's so beautiful here on this Tongue River. But I think everyone needs this right here. I've been getting in and out of it and stuff, but yeah, it's been really nice. Been a great time. We're gonna keep on heading upriver to Bernie, Montana. The river is just beautiful. There's some shallow spots, but we get right through it. There's longtails, have no issue with it. Ankle deep water, no problem. This Beaverdam and this Wildcat combination, this Beavercat, oh man, you gotta be careful though, because that Wildcat has got so much torque, and honestly, that handle being sideways like that, you really want to hold on to it, because that prop wants to lift and almost come completely out of your hand, this whole handle. So it's got a lot of torque. Going right up river, 13, 14 miles an hour, and that's GPS verified. And then going down river, we were going 18 for a second, but we averaged 17, which is good. So that's great. All right.